In this video, you'll learn how to create a cake ordering website using WordPress. This guide will walk you through the steps necessary to set up your site efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once the page is fully loaded, locate the Sites option, which is found prominently on the home page. Clicking on this will direct you to the Sites Management area, where you can start the process of creating your new website. Next, look for the button labeled Create with AI. This button simplifies the website creation process by using artificial intelligence to assist you. After clicking this button, wait for the next screen to load, which will guide you through the foundational setup of your site. Once this appears, you will see an option labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option, which will initiate the setup process. After this, the system may take a moment to process your request, so prepare for a brief loading period as the AI gathers the necessary information. You will then be greeted with a message stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This prompts you to think about the specifics of your cake ordering site. In the next step, type in "Create a cake ordering website" into the designated text field. This title will help define your site's purpose and should reflect your offerings. After typing the title, click on the Enter key to confirm your input. This action will lead you to the next stage, where a message will confirm that WordPress.com can indeed create a cake ordering website. You will then be prompted to choose the options presented to you. Type in your chosen selection from the available choices before once again clicking Enter to proceed. At this point, you will encounter another message asking what should your website be called. This is where you will enter the site title, which will be displayed in the browser tab. Carefully type in the name that best represents your cake ordering business, ensuring it is memorable and relevant. After typing the site name, click Enter to confirm. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your business offers and its unique selling points. Type in your tagline and click Enter to save this information. Following this, you will see an option to create my site. Click this button to finalize your setup, which will initiate the creation process for your cake ordering website. As the system processes your request, you will see a message indicating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This can take some time, so be patient as the AI generates your site. During this period, you may see a loading indicator or progress bar reflecting the ongoing process. Eventually, a message will inform you that your site is being generated. This step might take a while, depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the setup. Once the generation is complete, you will be notified and your cake ordering website will be ready for customization and use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.